In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to request Shopify Collaborator access. Collaborator access is the safest, most professional way for partners, freelancers, and agencies to work inside a client's Shopify store without using a staff seat. It's permission-based, transparent, and easy for the store owner to approve or revoke. Here's how to request it from start to finish. First, open your browser and go to partners.shopify.com. This is the official Shopify partner portal where you'll manage client stores and partner tools. Log into your partner account. If you don't have one yet, create a partner account. It's free and only takes a few minutes. Make sure you use a business email you check regularly and verify your account so you can receive approval notifications without delays. Once you're signed in, head to your Shopify partner dashboard. On the left side, click Stores. This is where all the stores you manage or collaborate on will live. Next, select Add Store. You're not creating a new store here, you're starting a connection request to a store that already exists. Choose Connect Existing Store. This option tells Shopify you want access to a merchant's current store rather than spinning up a development shop. Now enter the store's domain. You can use either the .myshopify.com domain or the merchant's custom domain. The .myshopify.com address is usually the most reliable, so if you have that, use it. Double check spelling and avoid extra spaces. Small typos are the most common reason requests fail. Paste the collaborator code you received from the store owner. This is a special code they provide to validate your request. If you haven't received it yet, ask the merchant to share their current collaborator code and keep it handy while you fill out the form. Next, select the permissions you're requesting. Only choose the areas you genuinely need, such as products, orders, online store themes, apps, or settings, so the merchant feels confident approving. If there's a notes field, add a short explanation of what you'll be doing and why those permissions are required. Clear context helps approvals move faster. When everything looks right, click Send Request. The merchant will be notified in their Shopify admin and by email. Once they approve, the store will appear in your partner dashboard under Stores with Collaborator access enabled. If you see a pending status, it just means the merchant hasn't approved yet. If it's declined, you'll be notified and can resubmit with adjusted permissions if needed. That's it. Keep your requests targeted, communicate clearly with the merchant, and you'll be collaborating in no time.